Hi, I'm Tristan Johansson, and this is my Unit 3 font classification. The first one we have here is modern. It's kind of like space-agey text here for SpaceX. It's got the negative lines, or negative implied lines here on the A, and the negative space on the E. And you can see it again down here in some of these E's, which are still different fonts, but would still be more modern fonts. The script here, the Coca-Cola symbol, has the like cursive L and C's flowing into each other and the O's flowing through and the C's going through the loops and the L's. The slab serif, these really blocky text with the block serifs here on the G's. And this kind of transitional font with a vertical like accent and a combination between just the old-timey and also the more recent modern fonts here. Thank you for watching this video.